All right, here we are again with another update on Project Swiss Cheese. Been a little while. Been mainly waiting to get the car into the repair shop to get the floor pans and stuff replaced in it. You may recall we got plenty of rust in the floors here, both in the front and in the back, as well as in the trunk area back in here. You can see we got plenty of rust back in here. All that needs to be repaired. I got pans for all the interior stuff. I've got, so I'm going to show you the plan to help with this here in a minute. You also probably have seen in previous updates, we got rust here along the roof line. This was a vinyl top car and had lots of rust under the vinyl. I got the windshields out now, and you can see there's plenty of rust down here, down on the bottom of the windshield area all the way around. That looks pretty rusty as well. So plenty of rust repair needs to be done there. I've been working a little bit more up here, pulling some accessories off, like pulled the power steering out and pulled the water pump out, and fuel pump that was just left hanging there, and a few other things like the disconnected the brakes and pulled the master cylinder out, kind of making sure it's ready to go into the shop for repairs, for metal work. Show you what my plan is to help with some of those metal work repair needs. Moving over here, I made a trip down to Texas to the CTC Auto Ranch and bought a shell of a four-door hardtop 67. This was actually, I think, a Caprice, and it's got better roof than my car has, and including some of the stuff here on the pillars. We can probably reuse that to fill in the problems we have on some of the side pillars on the front windshield. This has got a better package tray in the back half, although there's some rust in here. That part over there, which I'm going to work my way around to, and this trunk pan back here is much better shape than what I've got. So I'm going to work my way around here to this other side, around the trailer here for a second, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. We talked about how that showed pictures of how rusty the roof was over there on that side. Well, it's a lot better over here. And so the plan is to cut these pieces of the roof out and merge them in with the other car. Between the two of these, this shell and that car over there, between the two of them, to come up with one fairly solid car. So this car is also pretty solid down here around the lower part where the rear doors come in here. This is all a potential problem area with all the rust that car has up above. I know it's rusted all down below as well. So that's the plan, is to take this shell here and that other car, the Impala hardtop that's over there, and take them into the welding shop and use all these parts to try to make one solid car. And so next update, hopefully I'll have the car in the shop and we'll be starting to tear floor pans out and give you another update here in the near future. Talk to you then. Bye.